Hello students, I welcome you all for costing methods and techniques class. In today's class also we are going to solve one more problem on operating costing. So here is the problem. Ram is owning a lorry and a minibus. He gives you the following details for the month of December and requests you to prepare operating cost sheet per passenger kilometer respectively. Particulars lorry and minibus. Okay. Now depreciation is given. So as they have given separately all the expenses, so we need not calculate anything related to that. Supervision they have given, road and other taxes, other fixed expenses, garage rent, repairs, driver salary, cleaners, wages, petrol and diesel, oil. Now other information. Distance covered by lorry is 3000 kilometers at 120 kilometers per day for 25 days. Distance covered by minibus is 2000 kilometers at 80 kilometers per day for 25 days. Weight carried by lorry is 4 tons each day. Passenger carried by minibus are 25 each day. So here we need to calculate ton kilometer as well as passenger kilometer. So before that we need to find out how much is total operating cost. Okay, so for that we will have to prepare operating cost sheet. So next line, take down operating cost sheet for the year, for the month of December. Okay, particulars and two amount columns, one for lorry and one for minibus. Okay, yes. Now first we need to take here fixed or standing charges. Fixed or standing charges. Okay, yes. Now here depreciation, supervision, then road and other taxes, other fixed expenses, garage rent. Okay, so up till here at least these all are fixed expenses. So we will copy it. Okay, now next, driver's salary, then cleaner's wages. So these are also fixed. These are also fixed charges. So these two we will take it. Okay. Now make a total. No, last only we will make, at the end only we are going to make total of this. Now next is repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. If you want you can make total over here of this first and then you can add second one to that, or else directly at the end also you can make the total. Okay, yes. Now here repairs, repairs is done. Okay, now just check if anything related to repairs and maintenance is given. No, there is only one point related to that. Now next comes this running or operating charges. Now they have given petrol as well as oil is given. This is very simple problem. As like ton kilometer as well as passenger kilometer we need to calculate. So I have taken this problem, or else this problem is very simple. Okay, now we have taken everything. Now make a total of this. Lorry 1200 and this is 1000. Now what this is called as? This is called as total operating cost. This is total operating cost. Now next we need to find out, as lorry is there. Now when we are taking lorry, it means goods are transferred from one place to another place. So here we are going to calculate according to ton kilometer. Okay, so we will calculate that first. Calculation of ton kilometer. Okay, and the formula is 10 kilometers. Ton kilometers is equals to number of lorries into number of trips into number of days into distance into capacity utilized. Okay, yes. Now here number of lorry is 1 lorry into number of trips. So only one trip into number of days. They have given number of days also. Just go through other information. 25 days. 25 days into distance. Distance they have given 120 kilometers per day. 120 kilometers into here capacity of lorry into actual capacity utilized. I had missed one point. Okay. Now capacity of lorry is given in the problem. Weight carried by lorry is 4 tons each day. So here into 4 tons into actual capacity utilized is 100%. Okay, so calculate this, which will be equals to 12,000. Okay, so simultaneously we are going to calculate cost per ton kilometer as well. So which is equals to total operating cost for lorry is 1,200. 1,200 divided by 12,000 is total operating cost. Okay, which will be equals to rupees 0.1. 0.1. Okay, yes. Now we have calculated for lorry. Now we are going to calculate for passenger kilometer, and the formula is number of buses into number of trips into distance into capacity of each bus into number of days into actual capacity utilized. Okay, yes. Now which will be equal to, he is owning one minibus, so one bus into number of trips is one trip into distance, go through other information. Distance you will get is 80 kilometers per day for 25 days. Okay, our distance is 80 kilometers into capacity of each bus. Now capacity of each bus is also given in the problem. Go through the problem. Passenger carried by minibus are 25 each day. Here it is. 25 passengers into number of days is 25 days again, which is given in the problem, into actual capacity utilized is 100%. If they have not given any information related to this, then assume that it will be 100%, which will be equal to 50,000. Calculate. Okay, now again we are going to calculate cost per passenger kilometer as well. Now total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometer. Now total operating cost is 1000 over here, divided by passenger kilometer is 50,000. Okay, now which will be equal to rupees 0.02. Okay, yes, so this is what is the problem. Hope so this problem is clear to everyone. This was very simple. Why I have taken this problem in the sense, here we have to make two calculations, so we need to show it separately. So because of this reason I have taken this problem. Okay, go through the problem and solve it. Okay, so we will come up with another problem in next class. In next class I am going to wind up your second unit. Okay, yes, so see you in next class.